So welcome back guys. Today we are going to see the type of sorting which would be a quick sort. So what is quick sort in Java? So this is basically based on the technique of divide and conquer method. Okay. And here what happens, no, it picks up as a pivot any of the element, okay, of the given array. So whatever the pivot element is being picked up, so according to that the remaining elements would be arranged. Now how these elements are going to be arranged, let's just see that. So we have picked out the elements, okay, we have an array. We picked out a random value which we considered as a pivot element, okay. So whatever the pivot element, let's say we choose, so according to the smaller and larger size from the pivot element, we will just rearrange the remaining elements. How's that possible? The elements which are smaller than the pivot would go towards the left, and the elements which are greater than the pivot would go to the right. So recursively this step would be followed out. I have a like here an example with an image form. I'm just like making it the bigger size for you to have a better understanding. What I did here, I just have a unsorted array. I want to sort it by the help of quick sort. Okay, what I did, I have taken the last element as a pivot element so that I can just sort the remaining elements. So the elements which are greater than 3 are moved towards the right and the smallest are moved towards the left. Okay, you can see here 8, 5, 9, 6 are moved towards the right, and minus 3, 2, minus 5 and 1 moves towards the left. Okay, now again this array we formed out, right, within two parts. We are going to choose again a pivot element, and this is going to be chosen out randomly. Again we are choosing the last element here. We've chosen out one as a pivot element, and again we just sorted with the same method, larger and smaller. Larger right side, smaller left side. We just got again elements. Minus 3 and minus 3 are already we can just these are just one integers, right? So we can just choose out minus 6 as an we can just swap it out, right, simply because only two elements are there. Simply happens with second array as well, which is on the larger side. We'll choose pivot element again. If two elements are remaining, we'll just look at, we'll just swap it out. Okay, 8 will of course be the first, 9 would be at last. So this is what the concept of quick sort. That means we are going to choose the pivot element. On the basis of pivot element, we are going to just sort the array, or whatever the thing we are having, whatever the element or array we are having, by following out the repetition of pivot elements dividation and arrangement of smaller and greater than numbers. I hope this is a useful information for you. Thank you.